We have some new integrations, we have some new updates, and we have the Ask AI, which is going to be the biggest update this week. We are going to go over all the updates. The first slide is just an overview of what we have coming up. We have the Ask AI, some updates to the AI builder. We also have two updates to the meta ads integration inside HighLevel, and we also have some other that I included. I'm especially excited about the Ask AI and then the meta ads updates. So far HighLevel I didn't really publish any posts or anything about the Ask AI. If you are following their socials, then you probably saw this Instagram post. Ask AI is going to be a built-in assistant inside HighLevel, and then it's going to take all your information. So for example, it's going to use your brand voice and its setting to generate the emails, the captions, the newsletters, and even the landing page copies, any copy that you generate for your business. And it's also going to help you build your next appointment funnel, execute CRM actions like tagging, rescheduling leads. So basically, we already have some features with the AI. If you think about the AI automation builder or the AI funnel builder, those are all AIs. Just you just talk to them, and the AI builds the automation and the website. You will find the Ask AI at the top of the navigation bar. So you can just click the icon, type your prompt, and it's going to help you build. The feature to be enabled, of course, you have to be an agency user on HighLevel, and then you just need to head to your agency settings, search for labs, and then you can turn it on under the agency level. So I'll show this and we'll go through live and then see what the AI can do. Next, some more AI updates. This time it's for the AI builder. So now it also has the skill whenever you are building workflows and automations. If you use the AI, now it has the option to actually name the workflow, and it's going to be related on what you are actually doing. So here's an example on the right side. You see there was a prompt sent to the AI to rename the workflow with a suitable name given its functioning. And instead of a new workflow, the AI actually updated it to missed call SMS sequence. Next, which I am really excited about, is the meta ads updates to HighLevel, so the integration with meta ads. Now we have an advanced preview and also shareable links for meta ad campaigns. This is mainly important if you are working with a team or working with a client or another agency and you were not sure maybe about the sizing or how the ads are going to look like. Now you can check it across multiple placements so you can be sure that it's going to work. And then you can also send the preview link to your clients and to your teams. So first image here on the top left, you see our ad preview, and on the right side, you can turn on the advanced preview, and this is how it's going to look like. The next meta update we have is for the lead generation. So if you are running a lead gen, now we can finally use multiple conversion location, because if you are running ads, let's say you run a lead ad inside Ads Manager, you have the option to use a single or a multiple location for your conversions. For example, a single location would be your lead form or your website. Now with a multiple conversion location, you can use both, so website and instant form, and then Meta is going to recommend based on user behavior if they actually going to take them to the website or if they are going to use instant forms. So here's a preview of an ad set being set up. Of course, you can name it same as the ads manager. You can select the Facebook page you'll use and the Instagram account as well. And then for the conversion location, now we have the website and instant forms as well. So just a couple requirements you need for these campaigns. For the instant forms, you need a lead form only so that you can set up on the ad level. And then for the website, it's of course going to require a dataset and a conversion event. So you'll have to install the pixel inside your HighLevel funnel, set up the tracking correctly, and then make sure the events are firing correctly. So for example, you track a lead whenever a form has been submitted. So you need to do that. If you're just looking for a quick start, instant form is the better. And then if you use both conversion actions, website and instant forms, you'll still need the dataset and the conversion event as well. I included another screenshot of this. So now this is setting up your ad. And then whenever you select the lead form, this is how it's going to look like. So in case of the multiple conversion location, you need to select a lead form and the website URL, of course. So just a new feature to have. It's great to use. But the next update is the Facebook post sync with a social planner. So now whenever you are setting up a new sub account or you just reconnect your previous integration because maybe it was disconnected, now you'll be able to sync your previous posts or your previous posts from the last 30 days. And it's also going to include all the posts up to the current day that you have. So to set it up, you will need to go to marketing, and then of course it's on the left side in the menu. We can take a look after this. Go for the social planner, and then under settings, you need to make sure your Facebook account is connected. If not, you just need to log in with your personal Facebook and then select the specific page you want to use. Because maybe if you are an agency owner, you already have access to 10 different Facebook pages. So you need to select the one that you are going to use. So those are the main updates for this week. And then if you like the new features, and then you are looking to try HighLevel, or maybe you are already a user but you are interested in opening another agency account, now you can get a 30-day free trial with all my bonuses. So you get free VIP group memberships, you get an onboarding call where I help you set up HighLevel, all the features and everything that we mentioned in this call. I'll help you set up and get started. And of course, you also get access to an organized guide list with HighLevel and then meta ads courses. So you can, with meta ads, you can also promote the business with basics and advanced strategies. I also have the weekly coaching calls and over 50 funnel templates. So if it sounds interesting, check out the link in the description or wupscale.com/go high level.